Certainly fucked this one, isn't it? Always buried in shit.
It's your favourite colour.
Blackberries.
Brown. It's
lurching to the right. It's definitely one of ours then, isn't it?
Left, because it's American.
Oh, pardon me.
But outside of that, it's a 1961 Chevrolet Apache.
I don't care about the details,
C10
man. Blah, blah,
pickup,
blah, blah.
283
Rusty,
V8.
piece of crap.
It's got an automatic.
Automatically
It's
fucked.
complete. It's got a key.
No, it's not, because it's bent in half.
We've got a V8, which you love, because you're that kind of guy.
Love a big block.
Not a big block.
It's not a big block.
It's a 283.
So you're very upset me.
No, but it's...
Oh, the old 283.
It's got a 280. How'd you know that?
Oh, just a wild guess.
Well,
I'm a car guy.
Man of knowledge.
I am a car guy.
It is a 283. It's only a 2-barrel. It's
Only 2-barrel?
It's an alternator, so the wiring's been changed. It's 12 volt. It's got complete radiator to tail shaft.
Okay, that's all great. Does it start?
No.
Does this go down?
Yeah, it's got
All
brand
right,
new body hinges.
What can you see wrong with this?
Nothing at all. It's perfect. And look, pinstriping.
It's just rust squirrel.
No.
That's definitely.
See the lines?
I can see scratches.
Yeah. So it's got patina and pinstriping. Look, there's more.
Oh wow!
Yeah, it's great. Look at the artistic.
That's stunning. Like I don't know how I missed that under all the rust. Door opens and closes.
You can't buy that. And look at the inside. It's complete.
That's actually not that bad.
It's got a key, steering wheel, gearbox. It's automatic.
Let's get this out of here, man.
Yeah.
Before I change my mind.
We'll fire it up and get it out of here. We'll call the boys. Here's the new project, guys. The 61 Apache. You guys work out how to get it fired up and to get it running, and we'll try to get it.
We'll use a secateurs to cut it out of the blackberries.
I've got something for you. You can have that.
The hell, is that a welding glove?
For your hand, and you can have that. That's the other hand. And then we'll get to work at clearing the truck away if you guys grab the gear.
How come I only get one glove?
That's what you need.
What do I do? Like you get prickles with this one? And
yeah. You hold that.
I can't even
look up.
What are we talking
about?
Quite scared right now.
Today we have a luxurious 1961 Chevrolet Apache C10 pickup. It's close to being done. Starts, rolls, yet to be driven. But we'll give it a go. We've got a flat back tyre at the moment. So we'll get the tractor and we'll pull it out of here, but we'll have to work on the back tyre and have a look at the brakes. But it's pretty close.
Well, I'll be surprised if you actually try and pull this thing out. It'll come out in one piece because apparently a tree fell on it and it's buried in blackberry bushes, yet that's good enough for us. Me, personally, can of petrol, light on a fire, walk away, find something easier. It's not going well.
After my trouble and struggle far behind.
See? I do it the first time. So are we going to drive this thing out of here or what?
Yeah, drag it out with the tractor. I've got a 4-wheel drive tractor, I've got an excavator, we'll drag it out. It's been raining, so the ground's partially mud, partially grass, it'll slide. Get it to the workshop and free the brakes up, cut the bed off so we can repair it and tackle the rust and tackle the rear end.
Yeah, none of that sounded easy. Hey fella, hey, you hate the car too, do you?
Yeah. I do what I want.
You can be the crash test dummy.
Whatever it takes.
Make sure the handbrake's off and it's out of gear.
Hey, don't worry. It's got pinstripes.
Yeah. Don't damage it. Don't scratch it. Make sure it's out of gear.
Where's the gear stick in this thing?
Broken already, mate.
Now I can't see you because of the reflection of the sun. I can see that. I can't see your teeth though. So give me a thumbs up when you're ready.
Check the handbrake.
I don't even know where the handbrake is.
Where's the door? Ah, so the wheel's locked up. Is it out of gear?
Yeah.
Can you wind the window down?
It doesn't work.
Don't make me come in there. You've dented the door. What are you doing? Was the handbrake on?
Maybe we should have these run throughs
knuckle-
before we start.
One job.
Just get in the car from
The handbrake was on.
1961.
Ah, it's not going to go.
Oh, what a surprise.
So we can get a jack underneath it. We just need to get the tyre off the ground, that's all.
Righto, Sharks, throw the gas on.
The petrol?
No, the fucking air in the tyre.
Oh. Run!
Nothing? All right, pull it off.
Hopefully. Some luck. A bit of swearing. Righto.
First, we have several dents. We have the moss. We have square holes. Lovely white wall with green highlights. And a square bit.
I've got two more. I'll go and get them.
No, but we're keeping this one.
Yeah, okay. You can keep it.
Yeah, 15.
All right, I got one.
He's got one.
Winner. See you soon. I come bearing gifts.
Can't change the wheel, man. I've never changed the wheel. Got my pant dirty.
Potentially not working very well.
I'm actually quite scared right now.